Alright, welcome back to the channel, everybody. In this episode, we are going to be doing a review of our Cusimax double hot plate that we had. Now, I'm going to be trying to get some information about this thing because we ordered it on Amazon, and before you tell you how long we've had it, the date code stamped on the back, it's like weird. It doesn't even give you like it's upside down, but on the date code, it's December 2016 is when this was made. As you can see, it's been used. This isn't gonna be one of your, oh yeah, I got it, I've been using it for 2 weeks. This thing has been used like look at that. This is crazy. And we've cleaned this a bunch of times, but the reason we actually got a new one, which is the other Cusimax we have back there, is that it stopped working. So poof, it just stopped working about like 2 weeks ago. And so we had to order a new one. Now, this actually has been pretty awesome, I'm gonna have to say. So we've had this thing for a long time. Put down in the comments how long do you think we've had it, all right? And we'll let you guys know at the end. But this thing really has been a trooper. We've used it every day, right? We're always cooking on it. The only issue is that when you plug it in and you start using other appliances, like if you start throwing in I'm sorry for the mess, but if you start throwing in the air fryer and stuff like that, then you're gonna trigger the breaker. So you're only meant to be using this appliance at once, right? You shouldn't be using other appliances. Anywho, so this thing has really been great. It comes with 2 different size hot plates. So you have this one here, which is about the size of my hand. And then you have this one here, which is a lot smaller. This one's not bad, right? But this one is actually my favorite one to use for boiling water. We have like a small little pot that we have, and then we just put that on there and it boils water rather quickly. Now, when using hot plates, if you have any experience with them, you know for a fact that when it comes to direct flame and then hot plates like this, there really is a difference. With the direct flame, you're gonna be boiling your water a lot quicker. You're gonna be cooking a lot quicker, but for someone like us that in our apartment, we don't have gas hookup, we just have electric, and we can only use electric appliances, this is actually, has been great. We've had it for, believe it or not, the reveal, we've had it for 7 years. So this thing really has seen some wear. Now, the only thing I don't like about this, right, is with the stainless steel, you obviously have to clean it. You have stainless steel cleaner, yada yada. Spray it down, whatever, right? Now, when we started getting this stuff around here, around the edges. So if you can see from the side, it has like a really like deep groove here. It's about like that, right? This was really hard to get off. Like we would have had to like really get in there, and we started like scraping it with like a putty knife, and it really started coming off. But it really was a challenge to clean these edges. The hot plate itself, it glows red when it's like really hot and stuff, but it also has like a distinct clicking. This one, you see, it doesn't do it, but this one, you hear that click? Now you'll hear that clicking when it's on. So like it's not plugged in, obviously. I wouldn't be touching it, but you'll hear this click. So if you accidentally, you flip the knob and you don't hit it the whole way and you leave it like there, it'll start making that sound. I don't know if it's a safety feature, but it'll make that sound once in a while, and then we'll be in the room, like, oh snap, we left it on. So again, but it's also just like, just make sure you turn it the whole way. So it's not too bad. Now, that actually prompted us, once this took the bucket, we decided, we were like, we're gonna stick with the same brand that we got off of Amazon, and we went ahead and got this one. This one really, I'm sorry, you can't see it because of the glare. Let me switch this up. But again, this has been a great product. I really do recommend it. 7 years it lasted us. So obviously it's not one of those that you're gonna have a lifetime, but 7 years this has lasted us. And I think it has been a great investment to get one of these. Now moving on to the new one, obviously we left it dirty, it's not clean. We've had this thing for about 2 weeks now, and we really do like it. Straight out of the box, when you turn it on, it's gonna have a smell to it. And it tells you kind of like in the instructions that it's gonna have like a scent. So I don't know how to explain it, but it does have a scent when you turn them on, you let them heat up for the first time. Now, the thing that I really like about this one is that it has no gap. It has no gap over here, right? So this is gonna be a lot easier to clean. And both of these are the same size, which is fine. So when you put a pan on here, it really kind of like slides around, and it doesn't really like keep it on there, which is fine. It's like a It's just, you know, it's not a deal breaker, but it's okay. And I love the glass look, and I love the black finish, and I am loving this thing, and I hope this lasts another 7 years. So that is our review for these, and I hope you guys like it, and we really do recommend these. Bye.